Welcome back. Today we're breaking down 30 essential road signs, quick visuals, clear explanations, and everything you need to master the test. Let's jump in. Identify this road sign. Stop sign. Stop sign. This sign means you must come to a complete stop at the line or before entering the junction. Only move when the road is completely clear and it is safe to proceed. What does this road sign mean? Staggered junction sign. Staggered junction sign. This sign warns that two side roads join the main road at separate points, one after the other. Be prepared for vehicles emerging from either side and adjust your speed accordingly. Which traffic sign is this? Roundabout sign. Roundabout sign. This sign indicates that a roundabout is ahead. Slow down, prepare to give way to traffic from the right, and enter only when it's safe. Can you name this traffic sign? No entry sign. No entry sign. This sign means you must not enter. It marks a road or area where all vehicles are prohibited from going in that direction. Can you name this road sign? Side road ahead sign. Side road ahead sign. This sign warns that a side road joins the main road ahead, usually from either the left or the right. Be prepared for vehicles entering or turning. What does this road sign indicate? Traffic merges from left sign. Traffic merges from left sign. This sign warns that traffic from a side lane will merge into your lane from the left. Be ready to adjust your speed or position to safely allow merging vehicles to join the main flow. Name this road sign. Give way sign. Give way sign. This sign means you must give priority to traffic on the main road. Slow down, be prepared to stop, and only proceed when the road is clear and safe. Which traffic sign do you see? T-junction sign. T-junction sign. This sign warns that the road you're on ends ahead at a junction, where you must turn either left or right. Be prepared to slow down and give way if necessary. Identify this traffic sign. Traffic signals ahead sign. Traffic signals ahead sign. This sign warns that traffic lights are coming up. Be prepared to slow down and stop if the signals are red. Which road sign is shown? Crossroads sign. Crossroads sign. This sign warns that a road crosses the one you are on ahead. Be prepared for traffic from all directions and proceed with caution. Traffic queues ahead sign. Traffic queues ahead sign. Traffic cues ahead sign. This sign warns that vehicles may be stationary or moving slowly ahead. Reduce speed and be prepared to stop if necessary. Which traffic sign do you see? Bend to right sign. Bend to right sign. This sign warns that the road ahead curves to the right. Slow down and steer carefully to safely follow the bend. Name this traffic sign. T% sign. T% sign. This sign warns that the road ahead goes sharply uphill. Be prepared to use a lower gear and adjust your speed to maintain control. Which road sign is this? Uneven road sign. Uneven road sign. This sign warns that the road surface ahead is uneven or bumpy. Slow down to maintain control and reduce the risk of damage to your vehicle. Which traffic sign is shown? Two-way traffic sign. Two-way traffic sign. This sign warns that the road ahead carries traffic in both directions. Stay on your side of the road and be alert for oncoming vehicles. Identify this traffic sign. Steep descent sign. Steep descent sign. This sign warns that the road ahead goes sharply downhill. Reduce speed, use a lower gear if necessary, and be prepared for increased stopping distances. What is this traffic sign? Roadworks sign. Roadworks sign. This sign warns that road construction or maintenance is ahead. Slow down, follow any temporary signs or instructions, and be prepared for lane changes or workers on the road. What is this road sign? Sheep crossing sign. Sheep crossing sign. This sign warns that sheep may be crossing or grazing on the road ahead. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to stop to avoid collisions. Can you identify this road sign? Tunnel ahead sign. Tunnel ahead sign. This sign warns that a tunnel is coming up. Switch on your headlights if required, be aware of reduced visibility, and follow any specific tunnel rules. Which road sign is this? Slippery road sign. Slippery road sign. This sign warns that the road ahead may be slippery, especially in wet or icy conditions. Reduce speed and drive carefully to maintain control. What does this road sign show? End of dual carriageway sign. End of dual carriageway sign. This sign indicates that the dual carriageway is ending and the road ahead becomes a single carriageway. Be prepared for oncoming traffic and adjust your speed accordingly. Which traffic sign is displayed? Pedestrians ahead sign. Pedestrians ahead sign. This sign warns that pedestrians may be crossing or walking along the road ahead. Slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary. What is the name of this road sign? Double bend sign. Double bend sign. This sign warns that the road ahead has two bends, the first in one direction and the second in the opposite. Slow down and drive carefully to safely navigate both bends. What is this road sign called? Cattle crossing sign. Cattle crossing sign. This sign warns that cattle may be crossing or on the road ahead. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to stop to avoid accidents. How would you describe this traffic sign? Falling rocks sign. Falling rocks sign. This sign warns that rocks or debris may fall onto the road ahead, especially near cliffs or steep slopes. Drive cautiously and be prepared to stop if necessary. What is the name of this traffic sign? Ice or snowdrift sign. Ice or snowdrift sign. This sign warns that the road ahead may be slippery due to ice or snow. Reduce speed, drive carefully, and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Which traffic sign is this showing? Narrow road ahead sign. Narrow road ahead sign. This sign warns that the road ahead becomes narrower. Slow down, stay on your side, and be prepared to give way to oncoming traffic if necessary. How would you name this road sign? Children crossing sign. Children crossing sign. This sign warns that children may be crossing the road ahead, often near schools or playgrounds. Slow down, be extra alert, and be prepared to stop. What type of traffic sign is this? Hump bridge sign. Hump bridge sign. This sign warns that there is a humpback bridge ahead, which may restrict visibility. Slow down and be prepared for oncoming traffic or a sudden rise in the road. Which road sign is this depicting? Side wind sign. Side wind sign. This sign warns that strong side winds may affect your vehicle. Keep a firm grip on the steering wheel, reduce speed, and be prepared for sudden gusts. Great job! You've just covered 30 essential UK road signs. Keep practicing, stay sharp, and you'll be ready for the test in no time. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.